Okay, so now let's look at a cube. Now a cube is actually pretty simple. If you notice, this net and this 3D shape are the same shape, just one is unfolded and one is still folded up. So we're going to just do one example for cubes. What I want you to realize is that on a cube, and you know it's a cube because every single dimension is the same. We have 3 this way, 3 this way, 3 this way, so that makes it a cube. All the sides, all the dimensions, the length, the width, and the height are all the same. Okay, so when that happens, one of your sides, okay, will be the same as all the other 6 sides. Okay, so this side, formula would be area, it's a rectangle, square is a rectangle, so base times height, which in this case would be 3 times 3, which gives us 9. So since all 6 of the sides, the front, the back, the right, the left, the top, the bottom, are all going to be 9, all you have to do in this case is do the area, which you got 9, times the 6 sides, which gives you 54. So it would be 54 millimeters squared as your answer. So anytime you have a cube, very simple, find the area of one of those 6 sides, still use the formula, base times height. In this case, it was 3 times 3, which gave us 9. And then, once you have that 6 times. Now, if we look at the net, it's the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Each side is 9. Each of those surfaces is 9. So 9 times the 6 sides you have, 54. Now, this strategy works for any cube, but would it work for any rectangular prism? What if it wasn't 3, 3, and 3? What if one was 3, one was 4, and one was 5? Then the shape is not a cube, it's just a rectangular prism, and you would not be able to do this strategy. This strategy only works for cubes because all of the dimensions are the same. So all the sides would be the same. However, if dimensions are different, you cannot use the strategy of multiplying by 6. It just will not work.